Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, you simply want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, tap on your memory card, and you will find Format option in here. Click on it. It will give you a message that formatting will basically remove all the data from the card, so if there's anything that you would like to keep on that card, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to back it up, select Erase and Format. This will automatically begin the process, which takes only a couple of seconds, which it should be finished right about now. There we go. Click on OK and you're done, and your card is now completely formatted and ready to be used once more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.